Hi, this is Paul from Sewell Direct, and today I'm going to show you how to remove bubbles or wrinkles from your ghost wire after you install it. We've noticed that sometimes if the ghost wire is exposed to extreme temperatures during shipping, it can lead to slight wrinkles or bubbling on the ghost wire as shown here in our 4-conductor. And we're going to do this on our 4-conductor because we found it slightly more susceptible to this problem. For this you'll need a heat gun set to low or a hairdryer set to high. So what you do is, after you've installed the ghost wire, pulling it tight while you're installing it, you take your heat gun set to low and you run it over the ghost wire, rubbing back and forth to remove the wrinkles. And I'm going to show you that. And you'll notice those are already disappearing really well. You can do a couple runs if it doesn't quite get them all the first time. And you'll see that leaves us with a nice clean surface that can be easily painted. Thanks for watching.